Welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Some people might be wondering, can you fit 8-foot lumber into a Civic? And yeah, you can. Not sheet stock, but like 2x4s, 2x6s, shelf board, stuff like that. And yeah, there's a bit of space there actually. It works pretty well, and I'll show you. Alright, so here we are, opening the passenger door of the Civic. And this is the inside of my car here. And then we have some 2x4x8s, and that's the back there. The 60/40 seat there, I put down the 60% 60 side, the double seat. Okay, and what I did was I took the passenger seat and I moved it forward, I reclined it, and I took off the headrest, and then pop the trunk, and this is it from the back. So just put them on a little bit of an angle and they fit in quite nicely. So there's 20 pieces in there. That's right, 20 pieces of 2x4s. And I got room to spare. And if you look over here, I still have room for your elbow and everything, because there's the select lever, and here's your armrest here and your coffee holder. So yeah, it doesn't even hit your elbow, which is pretty cool. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you, just in case you have like a car or whatever. You can get a lot of things in a car if you try. So give it a shot. You might not need a truck just yet. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.